In this video, we are going to solve Aerodos 1.59. The problem is as follows. An aerostat of mass m starts coming down with a constant acceleration omega. Determine the ballast mass to be dumped for the aerostat to reach the upward acceleration of the same magnitude. The air drag is to be neglected. So the problem here can be depicted as follows. Here the capital F is the force due to the air in field in the balloon which is acting in the upward direction. Along with this force and gravitational force of magnitude mg is also acting upon the balloon which is in the downward direction. Since as given in the problem the balloon is accelerating towards the earth or in the downward direction and the magnitude of the acceleration is omega, that's mean that mg is dominating over f. So if we write the motion of the equation, this will be as follow: m omega equals to mg minus f. Now we want to remove some amount of mass from the system so that it starts moving in upward direction with an acceleration of same magnitude as of omega or w. So let's say we remove mass m from the system. So after removing mass m, the remaining mass of the system will be m and system will be moving in upward direction with an acceleration omega. This situation can be depicted as follow. So the force the force acting in the upward direction because of the air inside the balloon is same or constant as is what in the previous situation, and the mass of the system is removed to m minus m, and the gravitational force is m minus capital M times g, and now the system is accelerating in the upward direction with an acceleration omega. So let us write the equation of the motion of the system. That will be f minus m minus capital M times g equals to m minus capital M times omega. So now we have got two equations here. Say let's call it equation 2, and this equation as equation number 1. So we will be solving these two equations in order to find the value of m. So if we add both the equations, f here is with positive sign, f here is with negative sign, so both the f's will cancel each other and we'll get the following equation: mg minus m minus capital M times g equals to mw equal plus m minus m times w, which can be simplified or just simply by multiplying g inside this bracket will give us mg minus mg plus capital Mg equals to 2m omega minus capital M omega. This mg and this mg will cancel each other and will bring this capital M omega on the left hand side. This will give us capital M times, and taking capital M common will give us capital M times g plus omega equals to 2m omega. This will give us m equals to 2m omega divided by g plus omega. So this is the required mass to be removed from the system so that it starts accelerating in the upward direction with an acceleration equals to omega. Thank you.